The lost camel. No sooner do the three princes arrive abroad than they trace clues to identify precisely a camel they have never seen. They conclude that the camel is lame, blind in one eye, missing a tooth, and bearing honey on one side and butter on the other. After the king banished the three princes from the country, they came out of the country and they are walking along. The three princes went out of the city. On their way they saw some identification traces. Arrive means reach, trace means find. Okay, on their way they find some identification that seems a camel would have passed away, and also they came to know that the camel is lame. Lame means unable to walk freely, and it was blind in one eye, and also some of its teeth were missing, and also it might have carrying honey on one side and butter on the other side. These are all the identification they saw, but they didn't see the camel. Only the identification seems that on their way they before a camel passed away on their way. When they later encounter the merchant who has lost the camel, they report their observation to him. He accuses them of stealing the camel and takes them to the Emperor Beramo, where he demands punishment. Emperor means king. Accuses means find fault. Bearing means carrying. Okay, so on their way, unexpectedly they met merchant. They met a merchant. A merchant is a person who buys or sells something, or a salesman. Okay, encounter means meet. Okay, on their way unexpectedly they met a merchant who was in search of his lost camel. Then the princess said whatever they observed on their way to the merchant. The merchant was very much confused, and he decided that the three princes were robbed his camel, and so he took them to the Emperor Beramo, King Beramo. Why he took the three princes to the King Beramo? He wanted to punish them because of their crime. Beramo asked how they are able to give such an accurate description of the camel if they have never seen it. It is clear from the prince's replies that they have used small clues to deduce cleverly the nature of the camel. Deduce means conclude. Beramo inquired them that how they can able to give the correct identification of the camel passing over there without seeing it. That was the thing which made to find fault about the princess. Because without seeing the camel, how they can able to give a clear picture of the camel and also the nature of the camel. So it made them find fault about the three princes.